Hey guys, today I'm here with my Ryobi 10-inch miter saw, and I'm wanting to show you how to change the blade. First you will need is a few simple tools. You need a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need this 1/2-inch wrench. First you gotta do, there is a screw that holds your blade guard on, as we showed in the previous video. You have to take this screw loose, and it releases your blade guard. And this whole assembly here should slide up. There you go. See how it slid up? Now your blade is open where you can use your 1/2-inch wrench to take this bolt here out that holds your blade, and this is your lock washer that locks your blade when it's tightened, holds it in place. So over here on the right hand side under your handle you have a blade lock button right here. You push in on this, okay, and use your 1/2-inch wrench, and that bolt I was saying about where you gotta put the wrench. To loosen it, it is clockwise. Now that we have the bolt and the lock washer for your blade off, you need to push in on this release at the top and pull out on this release, and it raises your whole drive up for your blade and motor. And you gently just remove this blade, okay? So see how the teeth are going to the counterclockwise to the right? That's the way you always put it on, so it cut the wood. So you put your blade back on. See how it locks in there? And you take your washer and your bolt, slide it back through here. First you just put this here back on, of course. Line that up. To tighten it up, you turn it counterclockwise. Okay? tighten this until it gets tight and snug. Make sure you're holding down on your blade lock at the same time. See how it's snug? Just a little more. Now, if your blade's tight, you can lower it back down, lock this in, and take your piece over it. You removed it first, slide it back down, and tighten the screw back down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.